How to get verified on YouTube. Getting verified on YouTube with a verification check mark next to your channel name is a great way to show authenticity and credibility. So here is how to do so. First of all, open your web browser, then in search address bar simply type down the YouTube support and hit enter and search for it. Now once you search for the YouTube support, you can see YouTube help option available on your screen. Simply tap on it and navigate to its official website. Once inside the YouTube help, scroll down and there you'll get to see your manage your account option available. Tap on it. Now from the drop down menu, tap on manage your account settings option available there. Then again scroll down and there you'll get to see verification badge option available. Tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, to qualify for the YouTube verification badge, your channel must meet the at least 100,000 subscribers. I do not have any subscribers available in my channel, so I cannot see apply now form available here. But if you do, then you will get to see apply now option available. Simply tap on it and apply for the form. And once you apply for the form, click submit and wait for review. YouTube will manually review your channel. The process may take a few weeks. They will evaluate authenticity, you are who you say you are, completeness, your channel is active, public and professional, and you will see a gray check mark next to your channel name. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.